Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to prevent application from using our videos. So to stop application from having access to our videos, we first have to go to settings. Then we're looking for security options. Yes, security and privacy here. And under privacy, we have permission manager. We're looking for videos. Yes, photos and videos. Right now, 6 out of 24 installed applications are allowed to have access to our videos. Let's change it. And Google, I don't want you to look at my videos. And as you can see, it disappeared from the list that was allowed to you to have access to our videos. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.